Now we will see exercise 3.3, question number 7. Question is, find the greatest number which divides 149 and 325, leaving a remainder 5 in each case. In each case means from both the numbers we have to subtract 5 because it is leaving a remainder. Okay, subtracting the remainder we get from 149 and 325. From both we have to subtract 5 as a, because it will be a remainder, and we have to find the greatest number which will divide 149 and 325, leaving a remainder of 5. As it is given leaving a remainder, so first step will be we will subtract remainder from the given numbers. So after subtracting, what we will get? From 149, when I subtract 5, 144. From 325, when we have to subtract 5, 320. In this question, you have to find the greatest number, that is highest common factor of 149 and 325. But the condition leaving a remainder of 5, that is why first we have subtracted 5 from both the number, because 5 will be left over in both the case. So after subtracting, we got 144 and 320. Now this is the prime factorization method. Using this we have find the prime factors of both the numbers. Here you can see this is the short division method which I explained in the earlier video. When I divide 144 by 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, again it will be divided by 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 will be left over, 2 6 are 12, then 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So all these are the prime factors or prime factorization of 144. So it has written in this manner. Now we will find prime factorization of 320. So as it is a even number, we will divide always first with 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 will be left over, 2 6 are 12, 0. Then again we will divide by 2, 2 eights are 16, 0. As it is a even number, we will continue with 2 only, because 2 is the smallest prime number and we are finding the prime factorization. So 2 divided by 80, 2 fours are 80, 2 twos are 4, 0. We are writing quotient below, right? 2 ones are 2, 0, or 2 tens are 20, then 2 fives are 10 and 5 will be divided by 5, so 5 ones are 5. These are the prime factorization of 320. So we have written in front of the numbers, you can see here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, prime factorization of 144, 320. These are the prime factors of 320. After doing this, we will list the common factors. This I have highlighted with the red marker. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the common between these two numbers. So first we have written the common factors 2 comma 2 comma 2. After listing the common factors, for finding the highest common factor, we will multiply the common factors, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So the HCF of this two number will be 16. So in this manner, first you have to understand the question, find the greatest number. So HCF we have to find which divide 149 and 325, leaving a remainder 5. So leaving a remainder 5 when it is given from both the number, because it is written in each case. In each case means from both the numbers, when we divide we will be getting 5 as a remainder. So first we will subtract the remainder from the number. Okay, in this manner you have to solve the sum.